My name is Anders, and I'm a co-founder of a company called VitaSim. And at VitaSim we do virtual reality-based medical training for students. The SDG landing pad was an important tool for us to get into Israel, because when you enter a new market like this, you need to understand the culture. You need to have the right network, and you need to have someone help you set up the right meetings. And that was all the things that the SDG landing pad gave us.
I'm a second-year student of radiography, and today we had an experiment. And the experiment was with VR glasses. We saw a radiotherapy room, and it pretty much had the explanations on how the therapy goes, which devices, and the procedures.
The VitaSim solution is excellent to our team since it allows them to actually practice in situations like real life, to get as close as possible to real life, to get them to experience also malfunctions that we can't really simulate, in real life. We don't want to simulate them in real life, but they have to train and learn how to deal with them. So in that sense, it's a perfect solution.
Working with VitaSim created a new world of technology for me. And I think the most valuable thing I took from them is the teamwork and the collaboration that they brought to this project.